remove the ends, peel off the bitter skin. You can see I removed most of the green, cut these in thirds to make sure this goes in evenly so it's not wobbly. I cut off sections that are closer in width, and that you'll see that the edges are not at an angle, they're very straight, and that makes it easier to put into the spiralizer. Push this right in the middle, make sure it's centered, hold it, press it so that it is level, and then you can have fun. With each one, you will get a cute little mushroom. Unfortunately, these don't taste good, so these also go in the recycle bin. Massage until it's weeping. And just like spaghetti, pasta, you're gonna wanna drain it. Press it down. Get rid of this liquid. Take a cloth napkin, squeeze out this extra liquid, or we should call it juice. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.